What if you could fly a drone that captures 8K aerial shots, avoids obstacles, and even flies itself? Today on Caring Guy, we're testing the powerful Lenovo GPS RC Drone, packed with GPS, dual cameras, and pro-level features. Inside the box, you get everything you need to start flying right away. The drone itself, a screen-equipped remote controller, battery, charger, and spare propellers, carrying bag for travel. And the first impression? It looks premium, modern, and ready for action. This drone features a foldable design, making it easy to carry anywhere. It's built with durable materials and powered by brushless motors, which means more power, less noise, longer lifespan. And with a lightweight body under 250 grams in many variants, it's perfect for portable flying. Now let's talk about the highlight, the camera. Up to 8K HD dual camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, wide-angle aerial shots, adjustable camera angles. This setup lets you capture smooth cinematic videos, sharp aerial photos, dynamic angles from the sky. And with real-time Wi-Fi FPV transmission, you can see exactly what the drone sees. This drone is designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. 15 to 30 minutes flight time, up to 3,000 meters control distance, stable flight with optical flow positioning, altitude hold for steady hovering. Whether you're filming or just flying for fun, it stays stable and responsive. This is where it gets really smart. Laser obstacle avoidance helps prevent crashes. GPS positioning and return to home. Never lose your drone. Waypoint flight. Draw a path and it flies automatically. Orbit mode and 360-degree flips create cinematic shots. Headless mode, easy control for beginners. This makes flying super easy, even if you're new to drones. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control via smartphone, view live video feed, capture photos and videos instantly. And the screen controller adds even more convenience. Pros: high-resolution 8K camera options, smart GPS and obstacle avoidance, stable flight with optical flow, foldable and travel-friendly, beginner-friendly controls. Cons: 8K may be interpolated. Flight time varies depending on usage. Advanced features need practice. So, is the Lenovo GPS RC Drone worth it? If you want a feature-packed drone with smart controls, long range, and great camera performance, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for content creators, travelers, drone beginners, and hobbyists. So, what do you think? Would you fly this drone or go for a smaller one? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Caring Guy for more awesome tech reviews. See you in the next video.